Welcome back to Ollie Technology. The tech industry may be closer than ever to one of the biggest disruptions we've seen in years. And surprisingly, it could come from a company that has always been known for premium pricing. For more than a decade, people have been asking Apple to create a truly affordable computer, but that request has never really been answered. Before we dive deeper, leave a comment below and tell me, if Apple released a budget Mac at an incredibly low price, would you consider buying one? For years, Apple has maintained its position at the high end of the market, leaving many students, families, and budget-conscious users with only two choices: spend a large amount of money on a Mac or settle for an inexpensive Windows laptop that often sacrifices quality and performance. But recently, reports, industry whispers, and supply chain rumors have started pointing towards something unexpected: a new ultra-affordable device reportedly known as the MacBook Neo. The idea alone suggests Apple may finally be willing to challenge its own long-standing strategy by delivering a lower-cost product while completely abandoning the premium experience that defines the brand. Yet this rumor leads to an even more fascinating possibility. What if Apple took the same philosophy behind an affordable MacBook and transformed it into a compact desktop computer? Imagine a tiny, incredibly capable desktop that fits almost anywhere, delivers a familiar Mac experience, and costs less than many entry-level tablets. This concept, often referred to as the Mac Neo desktop, could completely change the landscape of budget computing. At the moment, Apple's most affordable desktop option is the Mac Mini, which already offers impressive value for its price. However, when you examine what goes into that machine, it's easy to understand why it isn't cheaper. Inside its compact aluminum enclosure are premium components, including advanced cooling systems and hardware designed to handle demanding professional workloads. The rumored Mac Neo desktop would take a very different path. Instead of relying on a powerful desktop-class processor, Apple could potentially use highly efficient mobile silicon similar to what is rumored for the budget MacBook Neo. These chips are engineered to operate in compact spaces while producing very little heat, which opens the door to an entirely fanless design. Without cooling fans, large heat sinks, or complex thermal systems, the device could become remarkably small, silent, and efficient. In fact, it might be so compact that many people wouldn't immediately recognize it as a computer. Picture something sleek and modern sitting on a desk, almost like a futuristic smart home device. It could resemble a thinner version of Apple TV while maintaining the elegant design language Apple is famous for. A precision-crafted aluminum body would help preserve that premium feel, proving that affordability doesn't necessarily mean sacrificing quality. Apple also has a history of using color to distinguish consumer-focused products from professional ones, so a desktop like this could arrive in a range of eye-catching finishes. Rather than limiting buyers to a standard silver option, Apple could introduce colors such as midnight blue, starlight coral, or mint green. That shift alone could completely change how people think about desktop computers. Instead of hiding a bulky plastic box under a desk, users would proudly display a device that complements their workspace and personal style. Performance would naturally be one of the biggest talking points. Many rumors suggest a machine like this could rely on Apple's advanced A18 Pro processor, a chip originally developed for flagship smartphones. While some may question the idea of a mobile processor powering a desktop, Apple's track record tells a different story. For years, its mobile chips have demonstrated impressive speed and efficiency, often outperforming many traditional laptop processors in everyday tasks. For the vast majority of users, a chip like the A18 Pro would provide more than enough performance for web browsing, productivity work, streaming, communication, and education. It would also be well-positioned to take advantage of Apple's growing AI ecosystem, potentially offering advanced writing assistants, intelligent photo tools, and enhanced voice interactions directly on the device. Of course, this wouldn't be aimed at Hollywood filmmakers or professionals rendering complex 3D projects. Instead, it would target everyday users who simply want a fast, reliable, and responsive computer. Whether you're juggling dozens of browser tabs, watching high-resolution content, attending online classes, or managing office work, the experience could remain smooth and efficient while consuming very little power. To reach a lower price point, Apple would likely make several practical compromises. Rather than loading the machine with expensive premium ports, it could focus on essential connectivity, including a few USB-C ports, HDMI output, Ethernet support, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. The result would be a straightforward, dependable desktop that's inexpensive to manufacture and easy to use. The possibilities for a device like this are enormous. It could become the ideal family computer thanks to its simplicity and security. It could serve as an excellent home theater system connected to a television for media consumption and light gaming. Business travelers could easily pack it into a bag and connect it to displays wherever they go. Schools and educational institutions might find tremendous value in a durable, long-lasting desktop capable of serving students for many years. And then there's the factor generating the most excitement: the potential price. By eliminating components such as a display, battery, keyboard, and trackpad, Apple could dramatically reduce production costs. Combined with the scale at which Apple already manufactures its processors, analysts believe a product like the Mac Neo desktop could arrive at a surprisingly low price point. Some estimates even suggest it could approach the cost of many entry-level educational devices. If that happens, the impact on the industry could be enormous. Companies that currently dominate budget computing markets could suddenly face a serious challenge. Many affordable computers available today struggle with performance, longevity, and resale value. A premium aluminum Mac offered at a comparable price would be an incredibly compelling alternative for students, families, and businesses alike. More importantly, it could introduce millions of new users to the Apple ecosystem. From my perspective, the Mac Neo desktop is one of the most exciting concepts currently circulating in the tech world. It represents a unique blend of mobile efficiency, desktop convenience, modern design, and affordability. While Apple has yet to officially announce anything, the building blocks for such a product certainly seem to exist. The technology is available, the market demand is obvious, and the opportunity is larger than ever. If Apple decides to move forward with a device like this, it could become one of the company's most disruptive products in years and potentially make high-quality computing accessible to a much wider audience. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy a Mac Neo desktop if it launched at an ultra-affordable price? Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts, and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.